What's up, what's up? It's Carty. I am a professional photographer as well as a video content creator, an educator, and a live streamer over on twitch.tv/Steve Carty. I stream 3 days a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 2 p.m. I do Ask a Photo Pro.
I love when you're here in chat, bro. This is a dope idea.
Sunday at 2 p.m., that's the big show. That's Behind the Picture, where I present an incredible photography show for you. Happens every Sunday at 2 p.m. and it's only on Twitch.
This week's inspiration. Let's fucking get into it. This week's inspiration, baby. All right, what a oh my God, look at my neck.
Today we're here to talk about my streaming setup. I'm an all Mac streamer. I got some pretty cool sub perks, some pretty cool things happening in my stream. It's hard for some small streamers to get to affiliate, so I'm gonna show you some things that I did to get to affiliate like super quickly, as well as things that I do with my stream that engage people, that engage my viewers and keep them coming back for more. I can't wait to show you. Let's get into it.
Shenantics invited me to a game. Let's go, baby. Shenantics? Could it be Shenantics inviting me to a game? What? Hey, let's get into my desk. So, basically, the whole vibe that people ask me, how is my stream? How do I do all the things that I do with my stream? I'm a Mac streamer. I stream with an M1 Mac Mini. I also have the M1 MacBook Air, which I stream with as well from time to time when I'm on location. But this is my main machine that I stream with. Dual 4K monitors. My right monitor, I stream. My right monitor, I game on. This is the way that I prefer to go when I game. So my left monitor, I have OBS on, which you can see right here. So the way that my setup is, I have two HDMIs feeding into this monitor. So one HDMI is my PlayStation 4, which you see right here, which goes into my Elgato HDS 60 Plus. The 60 not plus doesn't work with Mac, so make sure that you get the 60 plus. So that's how I capture my game. That comes into here. And then I literally, underneath the monitor, switch from HDMI 1 to HDMI 2. Now that I switched to HDMI 2, hit the controller, this is now set up and ready for PlayStation. But you can see I'm just on like a full screen. I use Touch Portal, have all kinds of scenes. Now that the game's loading, I hit game small, which is the picture-in-picture that you see right now. So my viewers can see that the game is loading, but you see what I'm seeing on this screen, the way that this camera angle works and the way that I want it to work. I don't want you to be able to see all of this screen, but I want you to be able to see a hint of this screen. I also use my TV to monitor my stream. So if you've watched my streams before, you see it's a super meta shot of me here talking and then me up there talking and then again and again and again and again. And it's like very meta, and it's like, because I'm monitoring my live stream. So when you see me on this camera, you also see me there, which actually looks kind of cool. And I've had people stop into my channel and be like, yo, this main camera shot is so meta, like I had to watch or stop and say hello. So now that we're here in gaming, if I want to game, actually, I should definitely make my party invisible so nobody joins me, because this is for demonstration purposes only. So you can see here, I'm in game. Game's loading, not quite in a game, but now when I go into a game, I hit the gaming button, switches to gaming. I have all kinds of cool things that people can do in-game, and I do this all with Touch Portal. Like somebody in chat, after game, what do they type? After game, GG, right? So GG in chat equals GG on screen. So I make that subs only. So you have to be a sub in order to be able to throw that graphic. Like I have a GG button on my screen, so I can just type GG and it throws a GG. I can throw an LFG. As you can see here, a little LFG. But also, my subs can type LFG in chat, and it throws the LFG graphic. So again, it's little things that I can do for my subs. I also have a for my subs, doing it for my subs graphic, but I do all of this in Touch Portal. And again, it's just a couple of things. Now I'm in this scene. I'm in a different scene, but someone types GG in chat. The GG graphic still throws, irregardless as to what scene I'm in, which is something that it took me a long time to figure out how to make that work. If you guys are interested in me making a video on how I do these graphics, drop comments in chat and drop a comment, come by my stream, and I'll show you guys how I do it. I looked online and found some cool transparent GIFs. Transparent GIFs are moving pictures with the transparency, so you can do overlays. So transparent GIFs, I can do this, which is like my white girl dance. I have my white girl dancing. I have my Rasta dancing. So it's like small things that I can do on stream just by typing on my touch portal, just hitting a button on my touch portal. But white girl dance chat can also do just by typing WGD, and then white girl dance happens just from chat. So I give, and again, subs only. So if you're a sub to my channel, I give subs just all these different perks, not to mention I have sound bites that cost Carty points. If you watch my channel, obviously with all of Twitch, if you watch channels, you get points for watching, rewards for watching, and then I give you cool ways to spend those points. You can slap stickers on my stream, which is another thing I added like 4 months ago. I just try to have all kinds of cool things that people can do on my stream. I have a voice changer, so I can do robot voice, I can do stadium voice. I have certain camera effects, like imagine I'm in game. Imagine I'm in a crazy game and something crazy happens. I have this effect, which is like, and it tracks my face wherever my face goes. Did you catch that? It lasts for about 10 seconds, but I mean, what? Like this kind of stuff in a stream just makes that stream so much cooler. Here's another thing. I'm in game and chat types command time warp. Not with an E. Command time warp and enter, and look what happens to my camera. Basically, it glitches my camera and adds this time warp effect to anything that's moving. So it lasts for a couple seconds and goes back. If I'm on this camera and someone types time warp, they hit time warp and same. They get the same time warp effect irregardless as to like what camera, what scene I'm on, as long as there's a camera on me. So obviously as a streamer, you need a starting soon screen. So I have a starting soon screen. My starting soon screen has a countdown. As well, I have random clips that play. I use a twitch.guru, which gives you all kinds of perks that you can do. You can see in about a second clips load with audio and show. It basically holds viewers' attention while they're waiting for my stream to start. So my Be Right Back screen is the same as my starting soon screen with one difference. The difference is I have my game capture happening in the upper right, so you can see exactly what you're missing. When I'm gaming, Be Right Back screen, that's what's happening. When I'm podcasting or when I'm doing one of my photo podcasts, as you can see I was doing this afternoon, because I have still not changed my categories because I'm not live streaming. I'm just doing a little demo that shows you that. But it's important to have a cool Be Right Back screen. My Be Right Back screen holds you because I give you a little picture-in-picture and show you what you're missing, which is nothing. It's just if I'm being right back, I'm not in game. I'm, And then, of course, you have to have a stream done screen when you're done before you raid, that kind of thing. So my stream done screen is different. It's a different photo. I'm wearing my merch in all of my photos. I happen to be wearing this one shooter tee, which was the first tee that I got from my merch, and instantly went out with Julie and did some photographs. This particular stream all done screen, I've tweaked it quite a bit over the last little bit. Still has my overlays, still has my social media, has a nice little slider of my merch, which I have on all of my intermission screens. And I have I have 2 intermission screens nested here. So I have my Be Right Back screen nested and my stream starting soon nested. So I'm basically using the same photo with 2 different overlays, and I'm using Touch Portal to tell OBS what to show when. So stream starting soon, show these overlays. Be right back, show these overlays. So it's basically like small things that I do that make OBS work efficiently. Again, I highly recommend having a minimal amount of scenes. You can see I have 4 main scenes, but my main camera scene here is also my game small scene. So I just show my game capture as a source, and then I hide my game capture as a source. Before, I had that set up as 2 different scenes, but as I got more experience with OBS, I realized you can just use it as a source. Just as a source and hide it in the same scene. So with my main gaming scene, obviously when I'm gaming, this is the main scene, but within this scene, I have my camera frame as a separate source. So I have the ability right here. Right now I'm doing it manually with showing and hiding the eye, but I have the ability to hide the eye and show the eye. So it's basically, and on the hide show transition on a slider, you can see it just means that now, because this is a separate group of graphics that this camera is attached to, I can hide my camera without hiding any other overlays, show my camera without showing any other overlays, and it's all still nested within my gaming scene. And of course the intermission scenes are nested, which I just showed you, and then my stream done scene isn't nested because it's a different picture. So I have that as another source, but it's a very, very minimal source. So that just shows you basically how I have my scene set up, how I have my graphics set up, how everything is nested. Also, last thing, a lot of people have issues with game audio versus this audio. It's crucial that you use 2 microphones. I am using 2 microphones right now. It's kind of hard to see, but I have a secondary don't even have to do that. I have a secondary lavalier microphone, right? Just clicking it out here. You can see this. You've seen these connected to shirts. So this is a lavalier mic. This is the mic that I talk to my people on PlayStation with, this little hidden thing. Now, the cabling all runs through this arm, comes out here. This is the lavalier mic, plugs into a USB sound card and goes into the PlayStation. So that's how I'm able to have amazing high quality stream audio, which you're getting here through the Rode PodMic Pro. And then also amazing audio through my PlayStation through this other professional lavalier microphone. So you need, if you're using console, you want to talk to people in chat, and you also want to hear other people in game and hear death comms and all that stuff, as well as have your chat and be able to talk to your chat. It's a 2 microphone setup. So now the breakdown that I'm giving you is my gaming streaming setup. I have a dual camera setup. I have this main camera, which you're looking at right now. This is an iPhone XR. I have gone through so many webcams. The best webcams on the market compared to an old iPhone, there's just no comparison. So what you're looking at right now is an iPhone XR. Look at how an iPhone XR focuses. Look at how you can say, hey, look at my phone, and it focuses. Like, it's just really nice that way. So I use iPhones for my webcams. I have an iPhone XR here, and I have an iPhone 8 as my gaming cam. An iPhone 8, obviously a little bit older, so rather than having my iPhone 8 go full screen, I have this camera set at 1080. Going full screen, and my iPhone also set at 1080, my iPhone 8, but it's a little bit smaller. So it's like, as small streamers, we have things that we can do that will make our stream look cooler than big streamers who literally their entire stream from front to back is just this, with them, with the game full, with the camera shot of them, usually cropped here, of them. Like, it's basically, this is everybody's stream. A camera, boring shot. I mean, even this shot, I try to make this shot look interesting. I got some nice plants. I got a neon sign. I got some cool pillows. Got a neon sign over here. You know, cool. Like, I put like some light behind me, which lights the scene behind, which separates me from this. Also, I have 2 lights on me in the front, which you saw earlier in the video. Like, we can make an effort. Most of the perks, let me say this again, all of the stream perks that I showed you is free.
That's it. Small streamers, we got to unite. You know, it's like, we all can make our streams better. I feel like we can all try harder to make our streams better. You can see I put a lot of effort into my stream to try to make my stream entertaining, fun, cool, look better than other people's. My camera quality, like all the things, my lighting, like there's things that you can do in order to make your stream engaging, make it look a little bit better than the next guy or girl. And unless you're gonna jump in a hot tub, you know, there's other things that you can do technically, and as well as overlays and camera changes and cool scenes, and, you know, just try harder, guys. Thanks so much. This has been Carty. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.